Hey friends, welcome back. If your Samsung monitor has no sound through HDMI, don't stress, this is a very common issue and it's usually caused by simple settings or connection problems. Let's quickly walk through what actually fixes it. First, make sure your Samsung monitor even has built-in speakers. Many models don't, and if that's the case, HDMI audio won't work at all without external speakers. Next, check your HDMI cable. Unplug it from both the monitor and your device, then reconnect it firmly. A loose HDMI connection can block audio even if the picture looks fine. Now open your monitor's on-screen menu and go to Audio Settings. Make sure the volume isn't muted and that the speaker output is set correctly, not disabled or set to an external device. After that, check the audio output on your connected device. On a PC, open Sound Settings and confirm your Samsung monitor is selected as the default playback device. If another device like headphones or internal speakers is selected, HDMI audio won't pass through. If your monitor has a built-in sound test, run it. If the test plays sound, the issue is with your source device settings, not the monitor. If there's still no sound, update your graphics and audio drivers. HDMI audio relies on GPU drivers, and outdated drivers are a major cause of this problem. You can also reset the monitor's sound settings to factory default or test the monitor with another device to isolate whether the issue is hardware or software related. If nothing works, external speakers or Samsung support may be the final solution.